BibleWorks provides text comparison highlighting to allow you to observe the differences between Bible versions. The Browse window has an option to toggle difference highlighting. To toggle this feature on, click the Browse Window Options button, then choose Toggle Difference Highlighting. BibleWorks will now highlight the differences between the same language versions that you display in the Browse window. Differences will also be highlighted if you open a Parallel Versions window. Difference highlighting can point us to words or portions of verses that may require further study as we compare different translations, or to help us view differences in Greek New Testament versions that are displayed in the Browse window. There's also a Browse window shortcut that will allow you to toggle difference highlighting on and off. Make sure that you click within the Browse window so it is active, and then type the letter E on your keyboard to toggle the difference highlighting off or on. That's the letter E on your keyboard.